Hi everyone, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to be installing a bonnet protector on a PX Ranger Mark II. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a set of pliers. Put on top of your bonnet, and you can see there's a little cutout in the bonnet protector there, and that's just to show you that that's where the middle is. There's a slot there in the bonnet protector, so that pin will need to come out, and likewise for the rest of it. So once you know which pins need to come out, grab your pliers. So the three need to come out, and the other one will go into the very last slot. The next step is to get your center brackets. 3 of those to begin with, along with 3 replacement pins. You're also going to need 3 of this double-sided tags. Now, the pin will go over the bonnet and into there. And these tags are double-sided, so you can actually stick them onto the clip in order to help it stay on there, give it more grip. So we'll peel off the white side first. Just place it over the top like so, on the inside, and we'll do that to all of them. Okay, so I've got all the double-sided tape on the inside of the clips like so. Okay, so before we do put the brackets onto the vehicle, what we need to do is put the anti-abrasive tape onto the bonnet, just to ensure that the metal clips do not scratch through the paintwork of your bonnet. Just make sure that the surface is nice and clean, whether you use alcohol wipes or some soapy water just to remove any excess dirt or residue. The first bracket is in the middle, and the way to put these on is half will go on top of your bonnet and the other half will go underneath the bonnet. So what we'll do is we'll line it up in the middle where the bracket's going to go, fold that in underneath there and up over the top. Once you've done that one, do the same for all of them. So when we come to doing the wing clips will go into that hole there. Just on the side, there's no pins in there. So we'll just go into there, so we'll have to make sure we line up the tape on the side here, just like so. Okay, so once we've got the anti-abrasive tape onto the bonnet, the next step is to grab the A clip. The A clip is the center clips, the B clips are the wing clips. The step is to remove the backing of the pads that we put on there, and it's the non-threaded part that goes underneath the bonnet first, and the threaded hole on top of the bonnet. So as you can see, we'll grab our clip, non-threaded underneath, over there, and line it up with the hole underneath the bonnet. Once you're happy with where it's going to be sitting, take that off. Remove the backing. Put it over the top as you did before in your trial fit. Push that in. Once you've got that in place like so, get your replacement pin that come in the pack. Put it through the hole of the rubber of your bonnet. Feed that through the hole and through the clip. Push up, and that secures it. So once we've done the 3 center clips, we'll grab our clip B, which is the outer wings, and we'll do the same. We'll remove the backing off the pads. Come around to where the anti-abrasion tape is. Just line the clip up with the hole that's underneath the bonnet. Get that centered like so. Grab the pin again and clip that up. Do the same on the other side. Lower your bonnet. You get this rubber strip that comes in the pack, and what this is for is to lay over the top, on the center, over your brackets. Now the rubber does have a little lip on it. Have that little lip just underneath the lip of your bonnet. So we'll remove the backing of the double-sided tape that comes with it. Push down on it just to make sure that the tape bonds to the bonnet nicely. So to finish off the job, you need to get a screw, a washer, and the screw caps. You get your washer, get the screw plug over the top. Then you put your screw through there, put it through your bonnet, onto the clip, put it on there nice and loose to begin with. Once we've got them all in and we've got it adjusted, we'll go across and tighten everything up. So now that we've got it all on, we're quite happy with the way it's sitting. Go across, tighten up all the screws again. Don't over tighten it. Just tight enough. Once all the screws are tightened up, just get the cap, flip it over, and that hides all the silverware. And there you have it. Once you've closed all the caps, job's done. I thank you for watching and have a great day.